Hello, welcome to this night stream. This is going to be a short stream. I'm going to be working on some stuff. The blue noise generator. I got a lot of it working, but there was still a little bit of some bugs, and I won't get that done before I go to sleep tonight. So let's do that. So I already have a blue noise generator, but what I was working on was converting this from a two-dimensional generator to an n-dimensional. And that is pretty hard because I'm trying to do it optimally. So I'm generating code with eval to automatically calculate it based on what dimension. So before I was also calculating what the minimum density is. So the minimum density is 1 point divided by the size. Or the total size. So how we're going to generate that is for below this, it's size times size. And then for this, it's 4 bar I, image count, which is the number of dimensions, times equals size. There we go. Now it should never have a density so low that there's no elements, which was causing errors before when we were trying to generate it. So now that we know there's no errors, we can remove these checks. Let's test it out again. Oh my god, I am on the wrong screen. Alright, let's go. Format and dimensional 8. OB is not defined. 154. Oh, right here. So it's one of these. OB plus plus. So I add CST right here, right? Yeah. CST.replace OB plus plus with B. And then energy does B plus plus right there. Wait. They're the same check right here. Then continue. Oh no. Might be different. Might also have to do continue Continue. B++. Syntax error, missing that after argument list. 144. Oh. EV is not defined. 154. Oh, here I do EV++. It's supposed to be energy. Oh. Whoa, no error? No error. Guess that means it's stuck? Try outputting the energy now. It's actually calculating energy. It actually has energy values. Hell yeah. Right, initial blue noise sample pattern, so it's not even here yet. So what's going wrong here? So that other version didn't work. In is undefined. I wonder, let me test. Error, continue must be inside loop. Oh, it actually generated. I just didn't add the proper check here. Let's make this like a normal one. I'll do grayscale. Wait, I had an error, but it finished? I'm confused. Continue must be inside loop. 284. Alright, I just need to set dimensions to before I get this working properly. Alright, something's majorly wrong there. It generated a good speed though, which is awesome. But that's most likely due to how broken the code is. Oh, this seems good. How do I debug this? Yeah, I should probably output this code. Should actually make sure this blue noise dither pattern is good first. The e.2 fixed is not a function. Oh yeah, I gotta output rank. Oh, I define it down there. Okay. First new, 32 array, total size. This is actually times total size. Yeah, so that's wrong. That's supposed to be a blue noise point pattern. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. So either they add or remove energy. I'm guessing it's the add or remove energy, not the calculate energy. Compute energy is pretty solid. add energy. CST. Let's output the code for add energy. Function index 2 point. Do you think index to point is wrong? What if I replace index to point with I gotta test this. If 0.1 equals math.floor, index divided by size, 0.0 equals size, okay. No, it's not that. Alright, good. E index to point, I0 equals 0.0, I1 equals 0.1, J0, J1. Binary value equals 0, skip. Sum distance, xa, x equals I0 minus J0, a equals abs of that, the plus equals the square. The one thing I wonder is, well, first of all, I just realized that optimization, when I'm computing the energy, wait, I just figured out what it is. When it's adding the energy, it's not supposed to check the values there. Oh, okay. And I don't need to check. I don't need to save this total value here. So that's an optimization. Alright, so it doesn't need this part. Take this code, add it right here. Okay, now what's wrong? C equals 0, then J, J1. J0 minus I0. They don't match up. They actually go backwards in the points. Oh. Okay. So, what we have to do is where do I initialize those values? Down here I initialize I plus I, it's actually dimension minus I minus 1 equals point. There we go. Awesome. So now I'm guessing if that's correct, then the rest should go correct as well. It's all based off that same code. Copy image. Oh yeah, that looks good. It might have way too many black values. Yeah, actually. Yeah, it's too dark. Yeah, so all of these black values, it almost looks like it's missing part of the generation. Well, at least we're generating blue noise now. That's cool. And I know add and subtract energy are correct because that's what this plus on disk is based off. So it must be something with the compute 0 energy. Console.log CZE. Also, the fact that it takes a lot longer is a big giveaway. Hold on, I gotta check something. Alright, pretty sure this is different. One sec, let me replace this with work.js, do the proper 2D version. Yeah, that's 100% brighter. Doesn't have all those even close to as many dark black values. And let's check the histogram. Histogram is equal. I actually didn't check the proper histogram for that other one, so let's do that. Yeah, so the histogram is off. So maybe there's something here. Let's look. EV if TV binary OB++, continue. Looks exactly the same. X times x plus x times x. That's what I have right here. Oh, so it only computes it. I missed that part. This computes all energy values. This just does it for 0. And then it doesn't need to compare. Okay. I need to change how it generates the 0. Alright, so right here I replace, but what I also need to do is right here check and skip in this. So I also need to do dot replace get rid of this equals 0. Replace with b equals 0 if in g. Equals 0. And then also replace right here with an extra, replace energy hell yeah, we got it. That looks really good. And the histogram's good. Aw, yes. So that's blue noise. It's a very nice dither pattern. And so this algorithm works with n dimensions. It works with 3D, 4D. Now all I need to do is create the parsing. I don't think I used proper mod here either. Hell yeah, I'm so excited. So this can be a huge use for the ray tracer. Like huge. Alright, one second, I'm just gonna pat my cat. I'm pretty happy that we got this working. So now I just gotta make it parse correctly. So we gotta add it as an actual type. So it's not doing 2D, it loads in the work.js. I think I can actually also do an optimization here by removing temporary value. Yeah, instead of doing TB here, I can do in OB++ equals. But then when I replace actually, I don't think I need to replace anything there. Plus B. Let me just make sure it still works for 2D after I make those changes. Awesome. I love how well the blue noise tiles as well. Alright, so now for the output, type bigger than 2, image done. If type equals 3, or if type equals 7, else. Image ID equals image count. So now for this, we're just outputting a double array. Actually, we can do the same here. Else if type equals 7, n-dimensional. D equals image count. But a green screen will look better. Yeah, but a green screen costs a bunch of money. And I actually don't have room behind me to hang up a green screen. My bed is right behind my chair. I think on this n-dimensional I'm going to lower the precision. I think because like no one will really need 15 decimal places, will they? I'm going to go lower this to 5 and this to 10 and do this as like 5. Because if it's a very large array, it's going to take up so much data. I actually think that's good. It generates Alright, now I need a way to test this, so I'm gonna boot up Shader Toy. Gonna create a shader to test the generated noise pattern or array. Alright, so I need to know the size, to know the stride. So then sampling this will just be like, wait, that's 8,000 characters. Oh god. I guess that is a lot of numbers. Anyways, the sampling this should just be like vec4 blue noise u.x floor is floor u.y times size, and mod size here. So this is int instead of floor. Oh, this is supposed to be mod 2. Alright, still something. What am I doing? Int u.x mod. Mod u.y times size. Oh, it's 32 instead of 64. Oh! That is nice blue noise. That is actually really nice blue noise. Let's try using that as a dither pattern now. Step 0.5. Oh, actually, it's supposed to be step mu.x divided by I resolution.x. Oh, that looks really good. Alright, we got n-dimensional blue noise. Let's make sure it works in 3 dimensions. It works in 3 dimensions. Is this any longer? It should be longer. Oh, wait. I still have part of this wrong. So first of all, T size right here isn't size times size here. It's supposed to be, I guess I could just do res.length instead of T size, instead of calculating it. But right here, I'm not using the actual dimensions. Let's do 8 by 8. Sweet. So yeah, generated a 16 by 16 by 16 blue noise volume. Oh man. Amazing. Alright. One thing I'm looking at though is these values are out of bounds because I'm not using the right. One thing is, instead of dividing by t size, so I actually should set t size to res.length here, and then just do this, so the code still works. Alright, so now to test this in Shader Toy, how do we want to do this? And I'll just generate it now, copy it in, and then so that's 32k characters. That is way too much. But you know what? I'm a fan of overkill. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do u.x plus u.y times size plus the frame. times size times size. Oh. Why did I do float there when I'm supposed to do an int? Not very smart. Oh god, this is taking a long time to compile. It's killing my GPU. Warning. Integer modulus failed to create sum of temp registers. I did something. Alright, maybe that's too big. Maybe we'll try 8 by 8. Okay, it's actually really hard to tell. It looks like it is blue noise sampling it evenly fitted spots, but the 8 by 8 definitely doesn't seem to have, it has much too noticeable patterns. I'm thinking for the n dimension, I need to let you choose the size. So maybe for the n dimension, you know what? It can't be that bad. I'm thinking though, there might not be a good idea to put all this to a text box. I don't know. What does this look like at full speed? Oh god, why is it 30 FPS for sampling this giant array? Are giant arrays really that slow? Oh god. I didn't realize array samples in GLSL were this slow. 30 FPS, my god. Well anyways, we got an n-dimensional blue noise generator. Hell yeah. So the next thing to work on that I'm going to do tomorrow is a blue noise sample generator. So that will be a modified version of this Poisson disk generator. The main difference being is the blue noise sample array generator will give you a list of the points where each next sample in the list is as far away from each other as possible. Hopefully do something like Mitchell's best candidate. We'll see though. I'm going to experiment with some stuff tomorrow. Anyways, that'll be the end of the stream. I was just doing a quick stream tonight to finish this n-dimensional version of it. Very happy I finished it pretty quickly, so that's sweet. If you like any of this math-heavy stuff, follow me. I do a lot of shaders and just yeah, a lot of like algorithms. I do engine development. If you want to keep talking about this stuff, I've got a Discord with a pretty active programming channel. You can join that. Link's been posted in chat a bunch. Links down below. Anyways, this was a productive stream. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a good night. See you guys all around.